Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Hotwave Note 15 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to disable OK Google on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open settings. Now we have to scroll down and find this Google option. And right here we have to go to the all services, search assistant and voice, Google Assistant, and this first option, Hey Google and voice match. And all we have to do is just click on this button and then OK. And that's it. That's how you can disable OK Google. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.